Hello everyone, totally a Furby here. I do not make videos like this, but this is kind of weird. I was looking at some good tattletale memes, and I found my video on this person. The title is Trypophobia Popping. I can't speak today. Flashing lights, tattletale, and there's my thing. What does this have to do with this? I mean, yeah, it's got trypophobia in the title, but it's not that. It's a meme. Get your facts straight. It's a meme. So I'm actually really confused. And let's look at their channel. Yeah, and they got other people's memes on here. Of course they do. Of course they do. Oh, they got this one, and Benny and the Ink Machine. There's a like. I'm sorry, I'm just dying so hard at this. This is so funny. They actually think that this has to do with the phobia. Wow. So, I suggest you check out this person. But come on, man. Can you at least give me credit if you're at least gonna, like, steal my video? Can you at least give me credit in the description? So, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm sorry, I'm just laughing so hard at this.